In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to allow camera access to apps on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Now scroll down and click on the option privacy and security. Now head over to the option camera settings. In this section, you'll see a list of apps that already have access to your camera, marked with a green toggle. The apps without camera access will be grayed out. To grant access, simply toggle the app switch to green. If the app you want to grant access to is not listed in this section, you can still find it by going back to the main page of settings. Now scroll all the way down. Click on the option apps. Now find the app on the list or search for it. Under apps, you're going to find the option of camera. Toggle on for it. With that, you have granted access of camera to that specific app. And that's it. This is how you can easily allow camera access to apps on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.